Hey guys, I'm back again. Oh my god, I'm reacting so much today to CNCL. But today I'm reacting to another live performance from a song from the Deja Vu album, Dejaria, Dejaria, Tudo. This is a live performance to the song from the Deja Vu album. Um, I really do like this group, and it's so hard for me to say that about a male group or male artist. It takes me a while to get into a male artist, and I must say it's been about a year now watching them so far. Yeah, about like 6-7 months now watching them and looking at their old videos, the middle in between videos to now. I can see the growth. I really do like this group. Let's see what they're gonna be.
CNCO!
Oh wow, she's really excited.
He intentado casi todo para convencerte. Mientras el mundo
That's
se
that Joel.
derrumba aquí a
Yeah.
mis pies. Yeah. Mientras aprendo de esta soledad que desconozco.
Joe, I love you, sir. I really do. You're an attractive Mexican dude. I love everything about you, but sir, I need something else with this hair. I love it, but I need something else. Give me something else. Just my thoughts.
Me vuelvo a preguntar quizás si sobreviviré. Porque sin ti me queda la conciencia y vacía. Porque sin ti me he dado cuenta, amor, que no renaceré. Yeah. Porque yo he ido más allá del límite de la desolación. Mi cuerpo, mi mente y mi alma ya no tienen conexión. Ay, yo te juro que lo dejaría.
I'm getting sidetracked for a minute. That's a nice watch. I wonder how much it costs. I'm like, can I get it, please? I have student loans I need to pay. Oh my god. That deer looks really good. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I usually go up for a female artist like this, but that Puerto Rican looks. After this, I need to some Hennessy and some apple juice and ice.
Y duele más las cosas buenas cuando estás ausente. Yo sé que es demasiado tarde para remediar. No me queda bien valerme de 10,000 excusas cuando definitivamente sé que ahora te vas.
Come on, Richard.
Aunque no lo pueda cambiar, yo seguiré esperándote por si algún día tú me quieres ver. Te vuelvo a repetir que estoy muriendo.
Do you see that? Do you see that? Look at Richard give us something. Like Richard and Zabiel is very consistent with a new hairstyle, a new their style seems different. All the others, their style seems different, but you know, mostly is they change the color or had this, but they change everything. Haircut, like everything. And I love it. Oh, Richard. This is the reason why you have a child. No comment. Ooh. Oh, that was good. Wait, oh, that was. Oh, go back. Oh, that was good. That was good. Oh, I need that watch. Zabiel, I need that watch. I have student loans I need to pay. Yes. Ooh. Ugh. Ciencia, ciencia,
¡Qué gran momento!
Gracias, chavos, por estar por acá. Aquí
Oh my
estamos,
gosh.
por acá, para enfrente, para atrás, para enfrente, para atrás,
I
para
will
enfrente,
stop
para
it
atrás.
right there. So, like I said before, that was a live performance to their song Dejaria Tudo. Dejaria Tudo. I said over and over, I took Spanish 1 and 2 to go to college, and I did, and I must have did something right. But like I said before, over and over, I keep repeating the same thing because I don't know what else to say. This group is really good. I love the fact, to me, in my man, I think their management or their record label gave them a little bit of creative control into this new album, and it shows. This album is everything. This homage to this iconic group that each practically chose, that they grew up with, and I'm here for it. Good job, CNCO. Good job, CNCO. Zabdiel, as always. You guys know I love me some Zabdiel. I love me some Puerto Ricans. I'm sorry, I'm from South Florida. They're from Miami, and Miami is 30 minutes away from me. I went to school with Puerto Ricans, so and Dominican Republic too. Republicans, DR too. But Zabdiel, I need a watch. I think I could pawn that watch and pay off my student loan. So I'm not saying that you have to, but I'm just saying I will appreciate it if you can. I'm done. Everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Ciao. Bye.